Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today, I am here with Ava, and today we are going to talk about job interview English conversation practice.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Ava, it's great to have you. How was your morning?
My morning was good, Lily. I had a nice cup of coffee. And yours?
Very good, thank you. I'm excited for our topic today. Job interviews can be scary, right?
Yes, they can be, especially when you need to speak English. It's a big step for many people.
Exactly. So let's talk about it. What is a job interview, Ava?
Well, a job interview is a meeting. You talk to a person from a company. They want to know if you are good for the job.
That's a very clear explanation. So it's like a conversation, but a special one.
Yes, a special conversation. You need to prepare for it. You need to know some common questions.
That sounds smart. What is one of the most common questions people ask?
A very common one is, "Tell me about yourself." This question sounds simple, but it can be hard.
Oh, that's true. So how should a beginner answer, "Tell me about yourselves"?
You should say your name, of course. Then you can talk about your education or your last job. Keep it short and positive.
Okay, so like, my name is Lily. I studied English. I like to learn new things. Is that good?
Perfect. That is simple and clear. You give basic information. That is what they want.
Great. So tell me about yourself is not about telling your whole life story.
No, exactly. Just important parts for the job. Another question is, why do you want this job?
Ah, that's a good one. They want to know why you chose them, right?
Yes, you can say you like the company, or you can say you like the job tasks. For example, I want this job because I like helping people.
That is a useful sentence. I want this job because, and then you add your reason.
Yes, many people use it every day. It's very common.
Let's give another example for why do you want this job?
Great idea. You could say, I want this job because I want to learn more about this industry.
Oh, that sounds interesting. Industry means a type of business like the tech industry or food industry.
Exactly. Good job explaining, Lily. It's a big word for beginners, but useful.
Thank you. Now, what about strengths? Do they ask about that?
They often ask, what are your strengths? Strengths are your good qualities, what you are good at.
So like, I am a hard worker or I am friendly?
Yes, those are great examples. I am a hard worker shows you work well. I am friendly shows you are good with people.
So we use I am as an adjective, like I am organized or I am a good listener.
Precisely. And remember to keep a smile and look at the person when you say it. It shows confidence.
Confidence is important, right? Even if you are a beginner, try to look confident.
Yes, definitely. Your body language matters a lot. Sit up straight. Don't cross your arms.
That's good advice. What about questions for the interviewer? Do we need to ask questions?
Oh, yes. At the end, they always ask, do you have any questions for us? You should always say, yes.
Really? Even if you don't have a big question?
Yes, it shows you are interested in the job. You can ask simple things like, what is a typical day like in this job?
Oh, that's a clever question. Typical day means a normal day, what you do every day.
Exactly. Or you can ask, what is the team like? Team means the group of people you work with.
Those are simple and good questions. They show you are thinking about the job and the people.
Right. It's much better than saying, no, I have no questions.
I agree. It sounds more engaged. Engaged means you are really thinking about it.
Good word, Lily. Engaged is a useful adjective for many situations.
So, we talked about tell me about yourself, why do you want this job, what are your strengths, and do you have any questions?
Yes, those are the main ones for beginners to focus on. Practice these phrases and sentences.
What about pronunciation, Ava? Is there any common mistake in interviews?
Sometimes people mispronounce work. it sounds like walk, but work is with a shorter sound, W or K.
Ah, yes. Work versus walk. That's a classic one. I like to work, not I like to walk if you mean your job.
Exactly. And remember to speak clearly. Not too fast, not too slow. Try to be natural.
That is true. And it's okay to take a small pause to think, right?
Absolutely. It's better to pause and give a good answer than to rush and make a mistake.
What about some basic grammar? Any tips for beginners in an interview?
Yes, try to use simple sentences, subject, verb, object. Like, I learn fast, I work hard. Simple is good.
So, don't try to use very complex sentences you are not sure about.
Right, stick to what you know. Also, remember to use I am for descriptions. I am punctual, I am creative.
Punctual means always on time, never late. That's a good word for an interview.
Yes, it shows you are reliable. Reliable means people can trust you to do things.
Wow, so many good words today. Punctual, reliable, industry, engaged.
And remember, practice makes perfect. Try to speak these sentences aloud.
That sounds very helpful. Practice with a friend or even in front of a mirror.
Yes, a mirror is great for seeing your body language too. Do you look confident?
What about you, listeners? Have you had a job interview in English before?
Please share your favorite interview tip in the comments below. We would love to read them.
And if you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful English lessons.
It really helps us to make more videos like this one.
So, to quickly review, smile, be clear, answer simply, and ask questions.
And remember to prepare. Know some common questions and simple answers.
Don't be afraid to say, I don't understand if you don't know a word.
That's a very important point. It's better to ask for clarification than to guess.
Clarification means asking someone to make something clearer or easier to understand.
Another good word. It shows you are trying to understand, which is a good quality.
Today was a lot of fun. We talked about many good things for job interviews.
I enjoyed our conversation today, Lily. It was very helpful for beginners.
Thank you everyone for listening and learning with us.
See you in the next episode for more English practice.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.